West from Macon. How are you?
Yes.
Go ahead with your question.
My mother's parents deceased, and she has some property she's been paying tax on. They didn't have a will, and I was trying to see what she needed to do because her nephew was paying the taxes on it, but he stopped, so she had to catch up the property tax on it, and so she's been paying every year ever since.
Okay. Who you want to take that?
Well, how long have they not paid the tax on the property?
Well, my mother been paying property tax since '79.
Understand.
When did she die?
When did her parents die?
Yes.
About 5 years before then.
Okay, back in the 70s.
Well, I guess what I'm trying to ask is how long has the taxes not been paid?
Oh, see, she had to catch the taxes up in '79 because there was on the courthouse square, for sale.
Right.
And so she caught that up, and so ever since then she's been paying the taxes.
Yeah, but is there one tax year that's past due?
No, she's paying.
The current.
This current, yes it is.
Okay.
Your question is who has the right to the house, I presume?
Now it just probably because we had the house torn down on it, so now it's just land.
National.
Well, if when somebody passes away without a will, that's what's called your intestate, which means you do not have a will that directs. There's a statute that provides how the property is supposed to be divided up, who gets it, and there's a procedure for that. But somebody's going that is of interest, and of course you would be because you're related by blood. You can go to the probate court and apply to be, it's what's called an administrator, and the administrator would stand in for the people that are deceased. And if you have two people that passed away without wills, you're going to have two estates to deal with. It is something that you could do by yourself, but it would be money ahead for you and time for you to go see an attorney. It's not a complicated process, and it's not an expensive process to go through. But if there's any real property, which is property, the land that you have to walk around on, you're going to have to go to the probate court to do that, to get the title right, where it'll be in somebody's name and it'll be worth something that can be sold to somebody else later. So I'd encourage you to go on and do that. There's a number of folks in Macon, and the probate court always very helpful down there. There's a people's court, but you'll be much better off with an attorney, but you need to go on and do that.
That's right. The longer you wait,
worse it gets.
like you said, you could be dealing with two estates.
Yeah.